Are you dreaming of a brighter future, a life filled with new opportunities, and a land of endless possibilities? Look no further than ICAustralia, your trusted partner in immigration success. At ICAustralia, we understand that immigrating to a new country can be a complex journey. That's why we're here to guide you every step of the way. Our team of dedicated immigration experts has years of experience, ensuring that your visa application process is smooth and hassle-free. We handle all the paperwork, so you can focus on your dreams. Whether you're seeking a family visa, skilled migration, or student visa, ICAustralia has the knowledge and expertise to help you achieve your goals. We stay up to date with the latest immigration regulations, giving you the best chance of success.
Hello, my name is Maxwell Climo. This video is just to thank ICAustralia for assisting me with my visa application process. You were very helpful and responded really quickly to any questions I had about the application. Once again, thank you, and I look forward to coming to Australia.
Call us today at 1-800-332484 or visit our website at www.ICAustralia.com to book a consultation and start your journey towards a brighter future. ICAustralia, your gateway to a new life down under.